Okay, so the next issue we're going to look at is from a user who says they have no authorization to run a certain transaction. So I'm logged in here as Alice, and I'm going to navigate into the finance area, go into accounts receivable, go to master data, customers, I'm going to run create customer. And as you can see, she gets this error, you're not authorized to use transaction XD01. So I'm going to flip over and go and look at this from an admin point of view. I'm going to quickly run an authorization check. This is transaction SU53. And I can come in here and I can say I want to see it for another user. So by default it shows it for my own user. I'm going to put in Alice's user ID. And sure enough, here you go, you'll see that for the authorization object ST code, transaction XD01, there's an authorization failure. So let's go and fix that. I'll go back to my main menu here, and I want to go into role maintenance. Role maintenance is transaction PFCG. And I'm going to go into this role here. I'm going to go to the menu tab. And sure enough, the user has two items here, XD02 and XD03, but not XD01. So I'm going to go ahead and add that transaction in now. You'll notice as well that this particular role is only for authorizations. It doesn't contain any menu structure. So it's not actually controlling the menu structure, but it is controlling access to these transactions. So I'm just going to save that now that I've made that change. And you'll notice that I've got a red warning sign here. What I need to do here is go in and change this profile just to save it and to generate it. Okay, so because I've changed that role, I need to come in here and I need to save it. And I need to generate. And now I'll just go back and you'll see I've got a green notification here that it's been regenerated. So let me switch back over to Alice's view of this and go back in here and click on this transaction again. And then sure enough, she's got access to run that transaction now. So the key learnings here really is that if you choose to split the menu roles from your authorization roles, you can run into a situation like this where someone will have something in their menu that they don't necessarily have access to in the back end. You can obviously run SU53 for that user and see what's missing, and then go and update the authorizations so that the person has access.